What's going on YouTube? This is Catching Monsters of Ohio Peyton stopping in today for a unboxing and a product review on the Kastking Sharky Baitfeeder 3 6000 model. Okay YouTube, I'm going to start off by showing the packaging that the Sharky comes in and then start unboxing. Here's a little schematics drawing of the reel. Comes with a Kastking decal. Now that the reel is unboxed, I am going to show you something really sweet that Kastking had up their sleeves. So this reel comes with two spools. The first spool is a braid ready spool. And the next spool is a mono ready spool. The biggest thing about this reel is the bait feeder. The bait feeder is the lever right here on the back of the reel. Once it's engaged, it allows the fish to pick up the bait and run with no resistance on the line. If you notice, you hear the clicking noise. That means your bait feeder is engaged. Another really sweet thing about this bait feeder is this knob. What this knob is for is to control how much tension you have on your bait feeder when you have it activated. Let's talk about some of the specs of this reel. So this reel has a 5.51 gear ratio, with the max front drag being 26.5 pounds. The frame of this reel is made of graphite. That being said, it only weighs in at 16.1 ounces. My overall thought of this reel is that this reel is a great investment. The reasoning behind that is because the price is affordable. Weighing in at $64.99, this is an extremely great deal for what you're getting with this reel. Another reason is this reel is a stout reel for the price you're paying. This is all I run on my setups, and I've never had one fail on me in the 3 years I've been using these. So go check them out and grab yourself one. I want to thank everybody for taking their time for watching my short unboxing and review on the Kastking Sharky Baitfeeder 3 6000 model. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fishing videos. Catching Monsters of Ohio Peyton signing out.